Hello everyone, Christina here, your tech director. Today I wanted to give you a quick overview of MLS, okay? So let's get started. First of all, to log into the MLS, this is the website that you will go to. It's netris.clarityim.net, okay? So you log in here with your login that the board gave you. Now keep in mind you have to have watched the video that they sent you that teaches you how to use the MLS, and then you answer their little, I believe it's a 10-question quiz. And once you do that, they will email you your login for the MLS, okay? So once you are here, you're going to go to Matrix, which is right here at the top left. And this will open up the MLS. Once you're in here, basically, you can move all these around if you ever want to relocate, change how your home screen looks. You can move all these around. A few key things to know. The hot sheets here, this is showing new listings that are popping up. That'll be right here. Under My Listings, which that'll be on your home screen somewhere. Like I said, mine is restructured a little bit. You will be able to see any of your office's active listings in here, okay? This is a wonderful thing to know because if you're looking at doing open houses, all you have to do is go in here, see what listings your agents in your office have, find one that you really like, reach out to that agent and ask them if you can hold an open house for them. So this is a great tip to find open house opportunities. So back on the home screen, let's say you wanted to search for a property. You go up to search. You have your residential here, multifamily, lots and acreage, commercial, and residential lease property. Let's say we want to look for a residential. I recommend going to the detailed screen. From here, let's say you're wanting to see what is currently active. You would click active. Maybe you want to see what's coming soon. You would click coming soon. If you only want to see what's active and coming soon, I would take these off. But obviously, you can look at those as well. And then from here, you just input what you are searching for. So let's say you're looking for anything 250,000 and above. We would do 250 with a plus sign. And same thing, if you want 250,000 and below, you would do 250,000 with the minus sign. You can input how many beds and baths. I always recommend adding the plus sign after those because you never know, something in that price range might actually have 4 bedrooms instead of just 3. So that includes those. Then you'll see the city. You can put different options here. Let's say you want to look up Fort Worth, do a comma after if you're going to have multiple cities. Maybe Arlington and maybe Cedar Hill. Okay. Then you obviously have all these options. Something else to note is HOA. If they do not want a HOA, just make sure you put that in there. None. Also, you can note that a lot of these options have not instead of or. So let's say your client definitely does not want a mobile home. You could change this to not and then click on double wide mobile home and single wide mobile home. Okay. Then you'll see all the results down here. We have 104 matches. So we'll click on that. And then that's going to bring you here where you'll click search. Okay. And then this is going to show you all the results right here. All right. And then once you're here, this shows you all of the homes that are currently active or coming soon with those search criteria. From there, you would click on the listing. It's got all of the information up here. Something to pay attention to is if it is occupied. If it's not, it would show vacant here. And your showing instructions are down here. Okay? Have a great day.